Hi guys, I'm not sponsored, but I did mention ages ago that if I came across a product that I really rated, I'd let you know. And I usually wear gloves when I'm working on the car. Didn't today, kind of regretting it. A lot of slime. This Fast Orange, it's a Permatex product. Has little beads of gel in. Well, it feels like sand. It used to be plastic, of course these days with the ban on microplastics and so on, not so much. But there's enough friction there to really get the grease working. Now you can put this stuff on just onto your hands and then wipe it off on a towel. I strongly recommend you don't do this to the towels inside, otherwise you'll get in a lot of trouble. And you can just rub it off like that, or you can wash it off with water. Either which way, really good little product, nice and cheap. Microgel beads in there to really agitate the grease and get it off quick. Permatex Fast Orange, worth a crack.